You have been lied to about AI. For years, we were told that the power was in the code. So we handed the job to the engineers. But the person who knows the work, does the work best is you, your financial analyst, your sales manager, the employee on the front lines is the one who holds the true power and the competitive advantage. So today I'm going to show you why the power of agentic AI is no longer a code problem, it's a conversation problem, and how your entire organization can start building AI workers using nothing but the English language. The reason most enterprise AI pilots stall or fail to deliver real transformative value is actually really simple: translation loss. We've been operating under the assumption that building an AI worker is a complex software engineering task where it's a little bit of sprinkled magic on the side. This means that a customer support manager who knows every step of a ticket escalation policy has to write the ticket to IT. They have to describe the need. An engineer who doesn't live in the support queue every day takes the request and builds a technical solution using APIs and custom code and what he or she thinks that they can actually make into this system. And the problem? That engineer is not a domain expert in customer support, whatever we're talking about. Somewhere in that multi-step translation from process knowledge to technical requirement, the critical business nuance gets diluted or lost entirely. The resulting AI worker may be technically flawless, but it fails to actually achieve the precise, high-value strategic outcome that customer support manager or the business unit actually needs. This is how companies get stuck in the endless experimentation trap, wasting your budget and time simply because the people who know the what and the why of the work are locked out of building the how. That technical barrier is what prevents AI from moving from a cool project to a genuine competitive advantage. So here is the strategic shift for you. The value of agentic AI is no longer in the complexity of its code. It is in the precision and fidelity of the business process it executes. And only your internal domain experts possess that precision. We believe that the future of work actually hinges on a simple idea that changes everything. If you know the work, you can and should create the worker. So imagine the transformation when a team leader can walk into a new quarter and simply describe a complex multi-step process like research 3 competitors, summarize the findings for the executive team, and then generate 3 social media posts based on that data and go ahead and post them. And the AI worker is built immediately. They don't need to learn how to code. They don't need to map their APIs. They don't need to configure data pipelines. They just use their operational knowledge and the English language. This is the only way to ensure the AI worker performs with that precise intelligence required to move the needle on business outcomes. And this is who we are as EverWorker at our core. We completely eliminated the technical barrier for all of you, for all of us. You don't need a technical background. You don't need a certification. You don't need permission from the IT department. You can create a sophisticated, fully functional, end-to-end AI worker that is completely customized to you and your team, that integrates with all of your systems, follows your specific guidelines, and has your company's institutional knowledge, policies, and documents simply by describing what you need to this platform in plain English. Our system takes that conversation and handles all the complexity behind the scenes. It provisions the necessary memory, securely connects to your enterprise applications using our universal connector, and it orchestrates all the actions. Your job moves from tedious execution to strategic direction and coaching for your own AI workforce. This allows your human teams to focus on what's really important in the business world: creativity, relationships, and innovation. This organizational shift is the key to unlocking what we call infinite capacity and limitless capability. Your marketing manager can now build an AI worker for real-time campaign optimization. Your operations team can now deploy an AI worker to triage complex inbound requests. They're no longer having to wait on a technical team 4 to 6 months. They are immediately turning their expertise into an always-on, customized AI asset. So your first step towards a successful AI transformation is this simple. Stop viewing AI as a technology that you need to buy and start viewing it as a workforce that you need to employ. The expertise for this revolution is already inside your company. It's in the minds of all of your most experienced team members. So your competitive advantage is no longer about who can hire the most expensive engineers. It is about who can empower the most people to create the best AI workers for their specific workflow within their own business processes. Because if you know the work, you can create the worker. So if you're interested in learning more about how your organization can start building its own AI workforce, head over to everworker.ai and see how simple it is to go from business idea to a fully deployed AI worker in just minutes. And if you like this type of video and found it informative, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, as well as you can find us mostly on LinkedIn, but we have the other social medias as well. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more AI content. See you next time.